How to factory reset Xbox Series S to sell. So first of all, you want to go to the dashboard of your Xbox Series S controller, the home page right here. Once you're here, just go ahead and get your Xbox controller. You will need your Xbox controller for this. Then just press up, then go along to the right, and then get to settings. Click A on there. Then you'll want to scroll down until you see system, then go to the right until you see console info. Click A on that. And then scroll down here until you see reset console. There on reset your console, you'll want to click reset and remove everything. So you don't obviously want to keep games and apps. That means it won't factory reset properly for everything. So make sure you do everything. Once you click on that, it will take a few minutes, depending on a few different things like how much you have on your console, etc. But after a few minutes, you'll fully factory reset. Turn it back on. You should see everything's reset. If so, you're good to go to sell the Xbox Series S. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.